Hey, it's Brock Lassig with the Lassig team at Cross Country Mortgage with your September 2025 market update, brought to you by Loans Elevated. Interest rates over the last month made huge improvements, hitting the lowest levels we've seen all year, now firmly sitting in the high 5s to low 6% range depending on loan program. This is great news, but the challenge is market volatility. The markets can't seem to decide on what's more important to focus on, which is inflation concerns, or more recently stagflation concerns, or a deteriorating employment market. These mixed signals are creating significant swings in the market day to day. Nonetheless, this is a great opportunity to take advantage of lower rates, whether you're looking to buy or refinance. On the housing front in Utah, median days on market ticked up again to 44 days from 38 last month. This is most likely a result of seasonal slowing and buyer hesitancy. Median list prices rose 1% again this month, but median sold prices remained flat. This is likely a result of sellers being encouraged to list higher in anticipation of buyers coming in to negotiate them down, which is very common in a transitional housing market. Housing inventory remained relatively steady, even ticking down just a little bit, which is another good sign of a continuing healthy market. Now for our special loan program that we just launched this month is our VA Renovation Loan. This program allows a qualified veteran to purchase a home and finance 100% of the improvements up to $2 million with no down payment required. This program is also available for qualified veterans to renovate their existing residence. The minimum renovation budget is only $5,000 with a limit of $2 million. This is an incredible and unprecedented option for veterans. If you know anyone who might be interested, please pass this video along, or if you're interested in more details, please contact our team. Additionally, with rates finally coming down, it's a perfect time to consider your refinance options. For a free, no-obligation refinance consultation, click the link in the description of this video or simply visit refinance.lassigteam.com.